How to get your ex-boyfriend back and rebuild a strong relationship, 10 guiding steps. Breaking up with someone is always hard, and if you want to get back with your ex-boyfriend, it's important to approach the situation with care and patience. Rebuilding a strong relationship takes effort, understanding, and time. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 simple steps to help guide you through this process. 1. Reflect on the breakup. Think about why the breakup happened. Understanding the reasons behind it will help you both address the issues and prevent them from happening again. 2. Give space and time. After the breakup, give each other some space. Time apart allows emotions to settle and gives both of you a chance to think clearly. 3. Reach out thoughtfully. Once enough time has passed, make the first move to contact your ex. Be gentle and show genuine concern without rushing things. 4. Communicate openly. Honest communication is key. Share your thoughts and feelings openly, and listen to your ex without being defensive. Understand his perspective. 5. Focus on self-improvement. Take time to improve yourself emotionally, mentally, and physically. Engaging in personal growth makes you feel better about yourself and adds value to the relationship. 6. Rebuild friendship first. Start by rebuilding a strong friendship. Spend time together doing activities you both enjoy and rebuild trust and respect before anything romantic. 7. Address past issues. Talk about past issues calmly and constructively. Focus on finding solutions, not blaming each other. Be honest about your mistakes and show you're willing to grow. 8. Reignite romance slowly. Bring back romance gradually. Let things progress naturally and pay attention to your ex's comfort level. Don't rush it. 9. Rebuild trust. Trust is essential. Prove through your actions that you're reliable, honest, and trustworthy. Rebuilding trust takes time, so be patient. 10. Commit to growth together. Work on growing both individually and as a couple. Embrace challenges and support each other's goals, learning and evolving as a team. In conclusion, getting your ex-boyfriend back and building a strong relationship requires patience, understanding, and consistent effort. By following these simple steps, you can create a foundation for a healthy, lasting relationship. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.